Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, April 1st, and we're going to take a look here at one of the trades from the trading room this morning. Played out really well. Now we had a few, including longs and some of the semis, like AMD and TSM and Qualcomm this morning. But then we also had shorts, and one of the shorts we had was in DJT. And this was, we were looking at the gap here, so we gapped up when the SPAC became DJT. And then when we broke into that gap today on that 57.25 break, we were looking for short entries. And it played out fairly well. We triggered at 57.25. Our target was 50 for the gap fill, and we said if we could break through 50, look for a 45 test. And we actually went down and tagged 45 here right at the lows, right before we're bouncing where we are right now. But we not only had the initial entry on the breakthrough 57.25, but if you go down to a 5-minute chart, we had this little compression pattern here for our secondary entry, and that played out really well. So we had sold off initially on the 57.25 support break, came into compression. When we started coming out of the compression, we're looking for another leg down, and we had the 5-minute bear flag right afterwards for the third potential entry, all of which played out beautifully with the push right down to the 50 level. Broke all the way through that, tagged the 45 level, and now we're bouncing back up fairly strong, but should be completely flat. Overall, not a bad trade. Worked out really well. Now, I want to show you another setup that we're actually watching, and that is one that's pending right now. That's TSM. So TSM has support down here at 135. Every time we break below 135, we get bought back up and close above it. And then we have resistance up at about 143. Every time we break up through there, it gets pushed back down and close below it. So watch for a breakout below 135 or above 143. We want to see a strong close on either side, and that should send us with a bit more follow through. Downside target would be 130 initially, and then a potential push down to 127. Upside first target would be about 146, 147 with a potential push to 150. But that's it for today, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. And until next time, everyone, happy trading.